We have all seen you as a surgeon and as an author. And what would we feel like if you're without the white coat for a moment? Who's the person behind it?
And even till today, I have to spend 1 or 2 hours every day reading. But there's something different, something new. The case I'm going to do tomorrow, what is the intricacies of that case? Am I missing something? So there's so much involvement in terms of keeping update, and keeping the case that you're going to do tomorrow. Are you okay? So I think it's all white coat all the time.
What's one thing that medical textbooks cannot teach and only an experience in OT can?
I think medical profession is a constant learning. People who have a big problem, but they say, no problem, I'm not worried, I'm okay. So there's a lot of learning every time talking to the patient, a lot of learning looking at blood reports, test reports, x-rays. If I think this x-ray looks like this, and then you do a CT scan, for example, it looks different.
Maintaining a sustained success of more than 42 years requires something extraordinary. And what's that extra in your case?
I don't know what is extra, but only thing I know is that you should be passionate about what you're doing.
What drives you to show up every day with passion and grace?
I always tell them, what you do as a doctor, what you get as a doctor is incomparable.
If you could tell young doctors one thing about the heart of medicine and not the science of medicine, what would it be?
I think medicine is a very noble profession. When a human being is not well, he can go to only two people. One is God and then the doctor. और तो कुछ नहीं है, किसी को और नहीं कह सकता मुझे ठीक कर दो. So imagine, I'm not saying doctors are God, but you must know that you're in a very, very important position.